How do you transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, mastering this platform is essential, and this guide will involve powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock your full potential of LinkedIn together. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is just open your browser and dive into linkedin.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So here we have welcome to professional community. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and achievement. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaboration. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of resources, including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. So stay tuned until the end of this video where we will consider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss our step-by-step guide that showcases you exactly how to attract recruiters and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So let's get started. The first step that I have to do is just click over sign in with email. You can also use the option to new to LinkedIn. You can just click over join now to sign in up. So here we have this page as you can see. You have just to write your email address and your password if you want to find your account. If you if you don't have an account, you have just to click over join now and you start with it. So this is how it looks, the home page as you can see. So here we have several things that you have to know. For example, we have here 5 options, like we have here home, networking, jobs, messaging, and notification. So let's just discovering the home page firstly. So here we have, if you want to add a photo, we have connection, grow your network. Here we have also saved items, we have groups, events, followed, hashtag, discover more, and here we have if you want to search for something, as you can see. For example, hiring, job advice, and other things. Then here we have if you want to prepare for your job search. For example, you can add your work experience and skills to show your strength to recruiters. So we have just to update profile and you get started. Then here we have if you want to start a post, try writing with EA. So for example, here we have media, event, write article also. Then here we have if you want to add to your feed, you have to try LinkedIn on the Windows app. Here we have the message also. For example, if you want to start search messages with focus here, and we have other, as you can see. So you can just get started, reach out and start a conversation to advance your career. So here we have how it works. Then we have the second one, which is my network. So in this one you have firstly to select if you want connections, follow when and followers, groups, events, pages, newsletter, hashtags as well. Then we have here also 2 options. For example, if you want to grow or you want to catch up. In the grow we have here manage no pending invitations. Then if you want to achieve your goals faster with premium, see who is viewed your profile and directly message members outside of your networking. As you can see, here you can just follow or subscribe to the corporation or other things. Then we have a catch up. In this one, you can just select the one you want if you want job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, and we have education as well. Then here we have jobs. So this is why LinkedIn is used by most of people, because of jobs. So here we have, you can select firstly the job that you want, if it is marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google analyst. So you have just to see the full list of jobs where you would be a top applicant and you get started. So here we have, if you want more jobs, click here to continue searching over 20 million jobs on LinkedIn. So here we have preferences, my jobs, interview prepare. So you have just to post a job with AI here and you get started. So that's very helpful and useful to use AI to start posting a job with this EA. So here we have also one of my jobs, interview prepare, and this is also here in the right we have job seeker guidance. I want to improve my resume. Here we have explore our curated guide of expert-led courses such as how to improve your resume and grow your network to help you land your next opportunity. So this is it. Then we have here the fourth one, which is messaging. Here we have just select the focus that you want, other, archived, spam as well. Then we have here read, draft, my connections, email, and we have start also. Then you can just type a name or multiple names and you get started. Then here we have notification. About this one, if you just receive notification on jobs, my posts, mentions, you will find it here. All right. Then here we have your account, and we have for business, so you can just search for here on LinkedIn. So with LinkedIn, post a job for free, advertise on LinkedIn, get started with premium, learn with LinkedIn admin center, and you have just to create a company page here and you get started. For example, if you want to here connect with clients, employees, and the LinkedIn community to get started, choose a page type. Visit company, showcase page, educational institution. So this is it. And here we have on a trade premium. So LinkedIn serves as a powerful platform for professional networking, enabling users to connect, collaborate, and showcase their skills. It facilitates career advancement by offering opportunities for job searching and requirement. The platform also fosters knowledge sharing through industry insights and discussions. Overall, LinkedIn is essential for building a robust professional presence in today's digital landscape. So this is how you can get started with LinkedIn and you search for a job from LinkedIn. So you have just to post using EA and you get started. So once you click over post a job with EA, you will find other page which is this one. Then you have to post whatever you want. So you can see you have just to add the title you are hiring for. So we click over write with AI, write on my own. So we choose the option that we want. For example, I will just click over write on my own, and you have to add the title you are hiring for. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.